No axe, no knife, no rope. Could you build a shelter with nothing but what's around you? Today, I'll show you how to create a life-saving emergency shelter with zero tools. Let's get to work. When disaster strikes or you get lost outdoors, shelter becomes your #1 priority, even before food or water. Without proper cover, exposure can kill in less than a day. But what if your gear's gone? No tarp, no cord, no knife. That's what this video is for. First things first, location is everything. You want dry, elevated ground, away from falling branches, flash flood zones, or insect nests. No tools? No problem. Nature already provides your building blocks. If you're short, go small. A tighter shelter keeps in more body heat. Now comes the part that turns a pile of sticks into a true shelter. Insulation. Pile it thick. The goal is 2 layers. One to stop wind, the other to trap heat. Lay materials from bottom to top, like shingles. That helps shed water. Don't forget your ground insulation. The cold earth will suck the heat right out of you. 6 inches thick is ideal. If it feels like a forest mattress, you're doing it right. Is this shelter pretty? No. Will it keep you alive? Absolutely. These techniques aren't just bushcraft. They're for anyone caught in a storm, blackout, or bug out without gear. Learning to work with nature, not against it, is the most valuable survival mindset you can develop. So the next time you're in the woods, or just want to test your skills, try building your own no-tool shelter. Got stuck or want to see more shelter types? Let me know in the comments. And if you're serious about survival, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and stay ready.